Hola amigos, Wombo here. Changing Big Bertha's air filter. Got the new beautiful one. Got some dirty hands. Should be fun. Go over here. Got one clip. Got your second clip right here. That's all I need to do. Get this guy out of the way. Take this. Wiggle this right off. Done deal. Think it's out of here. Take this big new nice one. See the hole? See the hole? Well, if you can't do this, go to mechanic. Don't waste your time. Don't fuck up your car. Get it on there nice and snug. Like that. And we're set. Slip it right in the hole. Line everything up. Snap her in. You're done, my friend. That is another tip with your car with Wombo. Adios.